the stock is down 24% this week. It's now down 70% for the year. Did it just get too cheap for you?
Yes, actually, it has. The valuation is starting the year was 23, 24 times. It's now 13 times. Of course, earnings have come down since then. And unfortunately, for those of us who also own it, it is the cheapest it's been since late 2015. So it has been quite a drop. But that, I think, is always when you want to look at these things, because we were just talking about Intel, for instance, and that investors like to see them investing for the future, which is what I believe that Meta is doing. They've got 95% of their revenues are from ads. Okay, so they missed on that, which a lot of them are, because that is a macro economic uncertainty weakness we've been talking about for a long time now. The other part that really spooked investors was that even though they were always going to be spending a lot, like $120 billion in capex and operating expenses, they increased it yet again on the call, saying they would spend another $5 to $10 billion. And with no clarity when the metaverse, this magical metaverse, when this is going to come into reality and when that's going to start contributing. So there's a big question in investors' minds: is this going to be worth it? And they'd rather see the approach as some other technology companies are taking to try to balance the short-term concerns with the long-term. And Zuckerberg is not. However, when you have to remember, this is the biggest social media platform in the world. They've got 3 billion monthly active users, 2 billion daily active users, and both measurements increased. The engagement increased, and that's key. If that wasn't happening, the story is not so interesting. But I think that plus their balance sheet, 48 billion, their free cash flow will be impacted next year. Their margins will be down. Last year they were about 40%. They're down to mid-20s this year. They'll stay under pressure next year. But 2024 is when you should start to see all of this start to pay off. And in terms of revenues, margins coming back. And I think that's where you have to look forward to. And so right now, if you base it on next year's earnings, it is not that attractive. But I think they will rebound in a big way.
So I'm trying to parse your words, because you just laid out the bull case and the bear case in a way, Barb. So is your view, so Facebook or Meta obviously got knocked for the spending, and you called it the magical metaverse, right? It's not here. Investors clearly don't want that kind of spending in this kind of environment, but there were questions about doing that at a time where the core business is weakening, including revenues in this macroeconomic environment. Is your point that you expect the core business to be fine, and for Reels to monetize, and for that to fund the metaverse vision, and that will work?
No, I think you're already seeing it. Reels, there's a number of businesses they are trying to monetize. WhatsApp, they haven't really begun in earnest. And that also has 2 billion daily users. You're starting to see a big pickup in Reels. I think the ad revenue was up 145%. Quarter over quarter, and they're just in the early stages of that. So they're gaining traction there. And I think over the next year, you're going to see a lot of improvement in the monetization of their different apps. So it's not just reliant on the ad revenue in the existing business as it is. And so I think it all comes down to your view on the macro environment. And that is, what we're seeing in the rally this last few weeks. Is it really because people think once again the Fed is about to pivot? And if you do, then the high-tech names in a Facebook, this is probably going to be the low. If you have a view that we're going to a deep recession, then all bets are off. But yeah, I think that it's a stock you could probably wait a bit, but I don't see the risk. I think the downside risk is practically zero at this point, and you never know when these kind of stocks are going to the upside.
Well, it's up 1.1%, so you've got to start there. Barbara Doran. Barbara, thank you very much from BD8.